Okay, so we have the new George Foreman grill, so I'm going to cook some salmon. Haven't had salmon in a while. It's all defrosted, ready to go. The George Foreman grill is heated up, or heated, so what I usually do is I get some of this oil and I just rub it in like so. Just a little bit of oil, not much. Just put a little bit on. Spilling too much. Go everywhere. Okay. Just trying to do this with one hand. Okay. So that's it all oiled up, ready to go. Now I've probably got over half a kilo of salmon here, so I'm just going to go for this. The tray's up fully, so it should catch any drip in the drip tray. This is bigger than my other one, just a slight bit. I'm going to go mad tonight, bollocks to it. I'm going to put the whole lot down. Half a kilo, I don't know how much of this I'm going to eat, but just turn that sideways like so. Usually leave them this way because I like to get the silver bits. I don't like the silver bits to burn because I love the taste of the silver bits. Now, let me just pop this down. Ooh, okay. Now I usually leave this in for about 5 to 7 minutes depending on how many pieces. So I'd say this would probably take about 6 to 7 minutes. So we'll come back in a couple of minutes and see how it's going. Okay, so it's been in for about 4 minutes, the salmon. Let's just have a quick look. Yep, it's definitely browning. Yeah man, looking good, looking good. Give it another 3 minutes, should be done. Okay, so the salmon's been in for about 11 minutes now. Took a few minutes longer than expected, but I do like it a specific way. And it's more than brown now. And what I like about this, it really does not stick. I'll just take one piece off. So there's absolutely no stick whatsoever. And my other one, if I left it in for this long, it would have really burnt all over the place. So I have to try this, of course, because if I don't try it, I'm a pussy. We can't have that on this channel. Alright, let's see how this come out. Yep, beautiful, nice, soft. Let's take this cooked. Let me cook all the way through. It depends how you like it, and I like it nice and smoky. Thanks for watching, guys. I shall have that with some asparagus and some vegetables. This is Watchdog Central beaming out. Cheers for watching.